How do you sync up separate audio files to video files? In this instance, I recorded my audio on a stereo with a boom mic right here, which had its own SD card. And so I put the files in here, and when I dragged all my footage into Premiere, I organized it the same way. So since I know that mostly all of this footage is me talking to the camera, what I would do is I would select everything. I just clicked shift and clicked all the way up. It won't pair the folders, so click command and command to deselect those. You'll right click and create multi-camera source sequence. You want to highlight this button, the audio, and so it mixes down to the audio files that pair with the video files also. So let's just call these ones March. And it's going to sync, and it's synced up all of them beautifully. And let's go into keyboard shortcuts. One of the keyboard shortcuts that I set up for my computer specifically is how you can do that is, keyboard shortcuts right there. This one, Q, it also opens in timeline. So let me show you what that does. Q opens it in my timeline. So if I click on this multicam, if I double click, nothing's going to happen. It's going to show me this blank screen, and you're going to be super confused. That's because there's, again, multiple devices paired to this one thing. So with the keyboard shortcut, you can click Q, or you can right click on it and say open in timeline. So now you see, so this, from this first one, when I had tried to double click it, there's just this yellow line. That's because it's the beginning frame of the sequence and there's nothing to show you. And then when you scrub down, you see, oh, the footage is now paired with the camera too. And let's go more into keyboard shortcuts. I would click C on my keyboard, which is the cut tool. And I can tell that this is when I start talking, when it swivels up. Now, you can see that this audio from the camera is still connected. So to deselect that and to only have your audio devices audio from this, you can right click on it and say unlink. You want to unlink the audio from the camera to the video footage of it. And then what you can do is you can shift click on the audio from your audio device. Again, right click on it and say link the two together. And you can see this little V pops up when it's unlinked right there. It's unlinked. Now it's linked. So it has audio to go with it. And that is how you would pair audio with a separate audio file with your video file. And then if I just continue on, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a sequence called how to reformat an SD card, which I know is this footage right here. And I'm going to select just my footage, Command C, copy it, and put it into a new sequence file so that it is the only thing standing. This is not technically a sequence. It's just a timeline with it. A sequence is a video file timeline out. Then you can just go ahead and cut off, again, C on your keyboard and delete that audio and keep moving forward, editing from there. If you don't know, I'm Rachel. I help creative entrepreneurs scale their side hustle. If you're a videographer, photographer, graphic designer, whatever it is that you're going after, I am here to support you and help you launch your side hustle into a full-time business. If you like this video, please press the like. And if you want more videos like this, check out my channel.